Top tourist attractions in Peru. Machu Picchu. Explore Machu Picchu, home to the iconic ruins of an Inca citadel. You're sure to be amazed by its beauty. Wait. While enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. Cusco Cathedral. Visit the iconic Cusco Cathedral, undoubtedly one of the most visited sites in Peru. Lake Titicaca. Take in the beauty of Lake Titicaca, a gorgeous stretch of water known as the world's highest navigable water body. Nazca Lines. Be mystified at the sight of the Nazca Lines. This spot should be the next stop on your trip to Peru. Maras. See the Maras salt mines that date back to Incan times and witness picturesque landscapes from all directions. Colca Canyon. Explore Colca Canyon and be rewarded with picturesque sceneries coupled with Incan ruins. Ollantaytambo Ruins. Learn the rich history of the Incan battles at Ollantaytambo Ruins, a rugged and rocky structure. Gocta Waterfall. Go on an expedition to Gocta Waterfalls, one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world. Plaza de Armas. Visit Plaza de Armas, a place to get a fascinating glimpse of the history of Peru and the city of Lima. Paracas National Reserve. Take a tour to the Paracas National Reserve, home to several endangered wildlife species and beautiful beaches. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let us know which attraction caught your eye, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more interesting and latest videos.